hottest instrument of recent time is oil. However, this video is not about how to trade oil. This video is about how we can avoid trading oil and avoid the crazy volatility in the oil, and how we can safely trade some other instruments which are directly connected to, or whose movements are directly proportional to that of oil. I'm going to talk about the currencies which are directly connected to oil. For example, very less traded currency, which is part of some exotic pair, Norwegian krona, can be traded in relation with oil because Norway is one of the most significant exporter of oil. So whenever oil prices rises, Norway makes a lot of money because it exports a lot of oil. So if you're trading Norwegian krona versus any other currency, you can make a lot of money without being exposed to crazy volatility, which you otherwise may be exposed to if you are trading WTI or oil in cash. So another currency which is similarly correlated to oil is Canadian dollar. And the reason again is the same, because Canada is also one of the most significant exporter of the oil. So when oil prices rises, USD CAD goes down. However, CAD JPY goes to the upside much faster than the speed of fall in USD CAD. And the reason is apparent, because dollar is connected to the US, which also is one of the significant oil exporters. So when we are comparing two currencies from two nations, which both are oil exporter, then the speed of rise and fall will not be as significant as the speed of rise and fall in other pair. On the other hand, Japanese yen is an importer of oil. And when market sentiment is positive, oil is rising, JPY automatically weakens versus all other less impacted currencies. So while JPY is weakening, CAD is rising, you can buy CAD JPY rather than selling USD CAD in order to buy Canadian dollar. So this is in short. I hope this correlation will help you choose better currency pair or choose a better instrument and make much more profit, and to help you avoid risk. In last video, we talked about how we can avoid risk of trading gold.